Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this absolutely stunning Ninja 650 ABS. Really nice bike. Is this one finished off in like a nice metallic burnt orange. Of course, with most of the bike elsewhere being black, it looks awesome. This one is a 2017 on a 17 plate. It's on 4,000, bear with me, 815 miles. So it's not really being used very much, and it's lovely and clean, as you can see. You've got R&G crash protection on this bike. You've seen the nice smoke screen there by R&G, I believe, and you've also got a tail tidy with some nice aftermarket indicators there too. Coming over the top, I'll just show you the display. So you get a nice analog rev counter, and then of course digital everywhere else with a gear indicator on there too. Coming over this side of the bike, I'll just show you this. So you've got some flush indicators built into the fairing itself, so they look absolutely awesome. You've got some R&G crash protection on this side too. Okay, let's give this bike a start up for you. Really awesome sound in these. It's a parallel twin 650, and these are compatible for an A2 license as well. If you do fancy it, please do give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.